Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back?
Yes. Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing my Pennywise look, so let's jump right in. Using the Urban Decay Smoky palette in the shade Whiskey, we're going to blend that into the crease. We're going to do the same thing with Smolder. Taking the shade Black Market, we're going to blend that from the crease all the way down the lid. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye as well as on the bottom lash line. Blend it out to make it more smoky looking, and then using the shade High, we're just going to highlight the brow bone. My Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm just going to draw on a wing. Then using a black glitter eyeliner, I'm just going to go over the wing to give it a little bit of glam. I'm just going to add lashes and brows, and then let's move on to the mouth. Using Mulled Wine LipSense, I'm just going to apply 3 layers and then top that with matte gloss.
In the mood, nightmares come pouring out of hell.
Going in with the red from my CC Beauty palette, I'm going to start drawing the classic It mouth. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'm going to go from the corners of my lips, out of my cheeks, and then through the center of my eye. I'm not too worried about if I mess up or the thickness because we're going to be adding on to this. I'm then going to carefully line up the line that goes through my eyebrow and up my forehead so that it matches where the cheek is.
Spooky.
And then just draw on my clown nose.
When the devil's in the mood, nightmares come pouring out of hell.
Using the ColourPop Main Squeeze palette, I'm going to use the shade Like It's Hot and blend that over the lines. I'm going to do the same thing with the shade Red Bottoms to give it a little bit more depth. And my favorite part of all my Halloween looks, my fake blood, I'm going to first go over the lines with the blood to make it look like they were freshly cut. Be careful when you get to this spot because you don't want to get this in your eyes. I'm then going to start adding the blood around my lips to give them a little bit more of a clown look. I'm then going to put the blood all down my chin, kind of like it was dripping down. I've never watched the movie, but doesn't he like eat children or something? So I feel like he'd be bloody all over his mouth. And that is how I got my Pennywise look. I hope you guys liked it. If you recreate it, tag me in your pictures and your videos. I'd love to see them. And you will float too. Bye guys.